If you're on the main website, you'll go down to Employee Resources, click on Purchase Requisition, and then open up Cami. And it'll say you've previously annotated this document and we want a new copy. And it'll now load a new copy in. And I'm going to put my name in here. Then I am going to come over here and I forgot where to go. Save. Google Drive, uploading to Drive. And now I've got my new copy and my old copy. So what I've done is I've saved, went back to the website, pulled another copy up, and edited it. Now, there may be a way to come in here and do it differently, but that was just quick and easy for me. Hope that helps.